In the bright bungalow, Lily the bunny and Rico, the robot, introduce a colorful map of everyday words for curious hearts. They sing a looping melody to name items, actions, and places, while children clap along and repeat. A game touchscreen lights up with flashcards, inviting quick sentences like "I see a red ball and I run." Colorful characters act out phrases, swapping colors, sizes, and textures to build confidence with simple grammar. By the end, the word train chugs away with a chorus of "yes please," "thank you," and "more please."